It ought to be spelled S-Q-W-O-R-L. Squirrel sounds like a shampoo brand. Add strength and beauty and shininess to your hair with Squirrel.
Squirrel. Shiny, lustrous, beautiful hair with Squirrel. Chemically bonds to the DNA of your hair to give you luscious, long, bright, beautiful, shiny, hairy hair.
Fast-acting Squirrel gets between your teeth. It's scientific miracle. Believe us, we have only the best interest of you in mind. Trust us. Nothing can go wrong. Nothing can go wrong.
The all-new Toyota Squirrel. With integrated crumple zones on the top, the bottom, the sides, the diagonals. The wheels are good. The engine is good. The frame is good. Built by people who care about you. Specifically you, Carl. Buy it now!
The Squirrel comes with some kind of drivetrain warranty, which matters to you for some reason. Good engine in it. Go fast. You could drop a load of boulders in your truck. Did your foot just fall off? Or even your head? Did your arms become extra hairy suddenly overnight? Ask your doctor if Squirrel is...
I did good. After having eaten the squirrel pill, I have grown better body than what I had before. All because of thanks, Squirrel. You are my favorite pill.
Those fuzzy little gray things that got the twitchy tail. It's almost like their whole body is made out of eyebrows. Some of them can fly.
Don't do it, Carl. I don't think you'll survive jump from tall tree. You might die from being flattened by gravity.
It's my flap and I'll do what I want to, Jerry.
There would be not a small number of accidents if squirrels were driving cars. Can you even imagine a 4-armed squirrel? So a total of 6, I guess they're all legs. A 6-legged squirrel is terrifying in all the wrong ways. The 6-legged mammal of any kind would be terrifying. Except maybe a giraffe. That would be just hilarious. You just got some 6-legged giraffe running around getting his hooves all tangled up. Believe you me, if a lion comes across a 6-legged giraffe, that lion does not have a chance. It's going to be throttled with hooves like a flurry storm of hammer hooves, just nailing down on that lion. It's not going to make it. Would it be creepy if a spider had only 2 legs? Squirrel bomb disposal unit.
Cut the red wire, cut the blue wire, cut the red wire, cut the black wire. Was it the green wire? Was it the green? Was it yellow? Yellow. Maybe it's red and green. It's the yellow and green. It's the yellow and green and red. It's all 3 of the colors. What do I do with this cylinder? What do I do with the cylinder? I got all the tools. I got the tools. I gotta go dismantle this ball. Help. I gotta read the manual. Chapter 3. I gotta get. Whoa.